Hey, Allison Cram here. I'm so glad you're here today. We're going to talk about how you can make custom thumbnails for your YouTube videos and how you can do it quick, easy, and free. And so if that sounds of interest to you, I hope you'll hang with me for a few minutes while I explain how to do that to you and show you on the computer exactly step by step how to do that. If you're new to my channel, I hope you will subscribe. Here on this channel, we're helping you to attain a life that is filled with true abundance, freedom, and fulfillment. And so if that sounds of interest to you, then stick with us by subscribing by hitting that subscribe button and clicking on the little bell icon so you get notified whenever I upload new videos that will teach you exactly how to attain the life of abundance that you're looking for. So let's get into our topic for today: how to create custom thumbnails for your YouTube videos. Thumbnails are really important. You've made a great video and you want to post it on your YouTube channel, but you've got to attract people's attention to come to it. So when they Google how to make thumbnails for YouTube videos, quick, easy, and free, then you want them to see your thumbnail and say, now that looks of interest to me. And so today I want to show you how to do that. And a lot of people are afraid of this because they think, oh, I'm not very artistic, or I'm not very tech savvy. And I want to tell you it is so simple. And today I'm going to take you right through it step by step, click by click, on the computer screen so you can see exactly how to do it. And the other thing is, I want to assure you, you do not have to be artistic. I am not artistic at all. I can't draw, I can't paint, I am not artistic, but I love doing this. It's so much fun. It allows me to delve into that creative side and find a outlet for that has a product that I enjoy and that I like without having to necessarily be artistic. And so with that said, we're going to go to my computer screen and I'm going to show you exactly how to do it. So I'll see you right over there. All right, so let's get started. Let me show you how to make your custom thumbnail for your YouTube video. I like to use a program that is called canva.com. It's free and it's really easy to use, so I'm going to show you that. But before we go to that, I just wanted to make a couple of quick points. Number one, you can use screenshots from out of the video that you just created. If you really want to tie it into that and you have created a screenshot that you want to use, then go ahead and you can grab that out of your video, or you can use pictures that you've taken of yourself with your phone in your selfie mode, or maybe you have other pictures you want to take of scenery or whatever, something that depicts and helps to capture people's attention. And so what you'll want to do is have those ready, and then all you have to do is go over to canva.com and you can create an account for yourself. Mine's going to log me in automatically because this is something that I use a lot. I think it is. Here we go. And then you're going to go up here, up to the right over here, and you're going to use custom dimensions. And for YouTube, the thumbnails you want to use the dimensions 1280 by 720. And then you can hit design. All right. Then this comes up and you're going to go down over here to where it says uploads. And you're going to click on that, and I have already uploaded some pictures. And for this, I'm going to use this for this example because of the colors and everything. It provided me with a really good example, and so I'm going to use that. And you're just going to keep stretching it out until it fits in this whole box here. There we go. All right. There we go. Now we've got that fit, so it covers the whole box. The next thing we're going to do is we're going to go over here to the filters. We're going to sharpen it up a little bit. And because this is a small picture here, it looks fairly large, but when you're on YouTube or whatever, it's really quite a small picture. And so you want it to be as sharp as possible. And so you're going to go down here, click on advanced options, and on the contrast, I'm going to move it up a little bit. See how that just sharpens that up? You want those colors to really pop, and I'm going to move it up to about 30. Then the saturation, we're going to move it and we're going to increase it as well. I'm going to go to about 20 with this one. And then on the blur, because you want it to be super sharp, this is a pretty sharp picture, but I want it to be even more sharp. I'm going to remove the blur down to about 17, 18, just until it kind of, you can kind of see how it looks. To see if you go that way, it blurs it. And if you go down here, yeah, I think I like that. All right. And then you can just click off of that. Now, the next thing that you can do is we can adjust where this is at a little bit, because we're going to put some text up here. So that's the next thing we're going to do. We're going to go over here. We're going to click on text, and you can just grab the kind of text you want. If you want a large, bold heading kind of text, or kind of a medium subheading, or just a little bit of more smaller font. And so we're going to grab this. We're just going to take it over here. When you do that, you see up here you have these different fonts that you can use. And so we're going to go up here. We're going to grab a font. You can grab anything you want. You want it to be sure that I try to grab things that are a little bit more bold. Sometimes if you grab things like this, or this one here that's real thin, they just don't pop out very well, and it's hard for people to see them, because remember, this is a small picture, and so you want it to be to stand out a little bit. So for this, let's just use this, and we're going to start with, we're going to just put our text in there. And for this, we're going to say a day in the life and affiliate marketing. All right. Now, as you see this, it's kind of hard to see. You can do a couple of things. One of the things you can do is you can highlight that text. You come up here to where this little color scheme is, and you can pick a white color. And oftentimes white is good. But the other thing that I like to do is I like to go over here to elements, and you can pick a shape. There, you'll see how all of these are free. You get down here, there are some that you pay for, but honestly, I've always just used the free ones, because there's plenty of them, and I like them. And so, all right, so we're going to drag this over here. We're going to resize it a little bit, make it a little bit smaller. And then what I'm going to do, because I want to tie it in with this picture, I'm going to, right up over here, you see where that little white box is? I'm going to take that, and I'm going to pick a color that is, you know, that matches it. So, so it kind of ties in with that. And let's see here. There's a way, sometimes you can grab more color. But anyway, so we're going to use that. It fits with what we're doing. And then I'm going to grab a hold of this, and I'm just going to drag it down here. If you go over here, you can arrange, and you can put that in the back, so that and then I need to make this a little bit larger. There we go. All right, so then I'm going to move it up over there, and then you got to move that with it, and you can adjust it a little bit more. And it's only just doing what you like, and what fits your personality, what fits the content of your video. So there's really, it's just another way of you being you. And what I like about this, like I said earlier, is I am not artistic. I just, really not artistic, I promise you. But I can do this, and it's kind of fun. I enjoy it. In fact, sometimes I get lost in it, and it's a lot of fun. But once you get used to it, it doesn't take very long. So now the other thing you can do is, if you want to add, let's say I wanted to say a day in the life, affiliate marketing, and I wanted to talk about YouTube, okay? Or if you wanted to, let's change this. Let's make it what we're talking about now. We can say quick and easy custom thumbnails. All right, we can change that just like that. See how quick that is? And so I can just change that over there. And then I'm going to go up over here and I'm going to type YouTube in this search. And you'll see that all these different icons come up for YouTube, and you can use any of them you want. Again, here's some that are for $1. There's different, different ones that you can use. For this, what I want to do is I just want to use a simple one. that will tie in over here. Now, obviously that's too big. So we're going to do this, make it smaller. All right. And with this little thing down here at the bottom, that little backward circle, you can rotate it a little bit, make it a little bit bigger, so that, yeah, you can just have fun with it and just make it fit your personality, make it eye-catching so that people will also, see. So people see this as quick and easy custom thumbnails, and you can see right there that it's for YouTube. All right. Then all we're going to do, I think we've done everything we needed to do here. And so then the next thing we're going to do is we're going to download it. There we go. Now we're going to download it. And I always download them in PNG because that seems to be the best format. So you download it and it's going to show up right down here on the bottom of our screen. There it is. And we can say show in Finder. And then what I always do is I just grab it and drag it to my desktop. All right. And then what I can do is I can go over here. Now I'm uploading another YouTube video right now. And so with that, I'm going to just show you a couple of things here. You can see here, this is one of my other ones. And over here, once you've uploaded your video, it will give you options from your video if you want to choose one of those. And then there is a place there where you can download an image, or you can change the image, and you click on that, and then you can go and just grab that image off of your desktop and put it right in there. All right. So we'll just take this one out, and I'm going to change the image. I'm going to go to my desktop. I'm going to find quick and easy thumbnails right there, and I'm going to put that in there. It's uploading. Okay. All right, there you go. And there it is. And if I were to save this, it would go back to that. But I don't want that there because that's not what that video is about. So I'm going to cancel it. Changes you made may not be saved. So I'm going to say leave because I don't want those changes to be saved. There we go. It's back. So yeah. So that's how you create a custom thumbnail. It's really simple, really easy. All right, there you have it. That's all there is to it. Wasn't that easy? So if you got value from this video, I hope that you will click that thumbs up and that you will hit the subscribe button and that you'll hit the little bell so that you get more notifications every time that I upload a video. I will be giving you more tips and tricks for building your full-time income online working part-time. That's what this channel is all about. I hope you got some value from this video. I thank you for watching. If you did get value, please do share it with somebody else and let them get the same kind of value that you got. And please comment below. Let me know what your thoughts are and let me know what your experience has been with making custom thumbnails. Maybe you use another program. And I know some people use PicMonkey. I've used that in the past, but then they started charging. So I don't really use that anymore because I like inexpensive ways to run my business. So this is Allison Cram saying so long. I'll see you in the next video. And until then, please have a blessed day and please don't ever give up on your dreams.